Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be creating a very simple makeup look that we can wear to any occasion. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and for today's video I'm using my Nuban Beauty Seal It Spray as a primer. For foundation I'm going in with my Nuban Beauty in my skin foundation in the shade W6. If you haven't watched the video where I reviewed the Nuban Beauty products, then I'll leave a link in the description box for you guys to watch. So right now I'm using my dose of GLAM beauty blender to blend out the foundation. All products used in this video are all from Nigerian brands. I think except for my eyeliner. Yes, I think that's the only thing that wasn't Nigerian, but all other products were Nigerian owned brands. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you're definitely welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. For my concealer, I'm using the Nuban Beauty in my skin concealer in the shade 043. And I'm going to apply this in all the areas where the light will naturally hit. That's my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, my forehead, and my cupid's bow, and also my chin. Going back in with the same beauty blender I used and blending out my foundation to blend out the concealer. You guys know that I always start my makeup with my eye look first, but today I just decided to try out something new. I always see people doing their foundation, like they do their face makeup before they do their eye look, and I always wondered how it was going to be. So today I decided to try it, so I started off with my face first before I moved on to my eye look. To set the areas where I apply concealer, I'm going in with my Beauty by AD setting powder in the shade Amber. I'm using the same beauty blender I use in blending my foundation and my concealer, and the beauty blender is damp. I've stopped baking under my eyes for a while now. I just go straight ahead to set that area. After a while I might go back to baking, I'm not sure, but for now I just like doing my under eye looks when I just set it. To set the rest of my face, I'm going in with the J Cosmetics 6-in-1 pressed powder palette, and I'm taking the shade Natural on a large powder brush, and I'm also going to dust away any excess powder I used in baking. To contour my face, I'm going back in with the J Cosmetics palette, and I'm taking the shade Cappuccino. The brush I'm using to apply the contour is the Zaron contour brush, and I'm taking the contour shade all over my forehead, my cheekbone, and my jawline. flat angled brush to contour my nose, taking that same shade Cappuccino from the J Cosmetics palette. I'm going in with that same brush to apply my setting powder on the bridge of my nose. So I'm done with my face for now. Moving on to my eyes, I'm using my Early Girl Concealer as my eye primer. So guys, this product also is not from a Nigerian brand. So I'm going in with that same beauty blender to blend out the primer, or rather the concealer on my eyes. I'm going to go in with my setting powder from Beauty by Edie to set the concealer. Now for my eyes, the palette I used is the Nuban Beauty Wishes palette, and I'm picking up the plum shade from that palette with a small tapered blending brush, and I'm applying this onto my crease. The pigmentation from the color is wow. As you can see, this is just one dip of my brush into the pan, and this is as much color payout as I got. So I just keep blending this until I'm satisfied with the amount of color I have on my lid, on my crease, before I go in with my transition shade. I'm going in with the orange shade from the Wishes palette on a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to use this to blend out the crease color. So you're going to keep blending out that shade until you're satisfied with how everything looks. When there are no harsh lines anymore, then that is when you know you can drop your blending brush. To intensify the color a bit more, I went back in with the same shade we used on our crease. Now for my lid shade, I picked up a flat brush and I sprayed it with my setting spray. And I took the pink shimmer shade from the palette and I used this to cut my crease. Blend out the shimmer shade we applied on our lid. I went back in with that same shade I used on my crease and I applied that at the outer view of my eyes. So I decided to do a wing liner after how many years, and I'm using the Kill Black eyeliner from QIC. To set my face, I'm using the Nuban setting spray. To outline my waterline, I'm using the Maybelline Collossal Kajal eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using the Zaron Lengthening mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I'm going in with my spoolie to dust away any powder that might have been caught in my eyebrow. To line my lips, I'm using the Zaron lip liner in the shade Bricklayer. I'm using the Beauty by Edie lip gloss in the shade Gleam. For a minute there, the name of the lip gloss wasn't coming to my head. Yeah guys, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for all the love and the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And also click the notification bell so that I get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.